Hey everybody, quick video update on the 2002 S14 car. We've got the tunnel welded in. Seat rail mounts are back in as well. Column is rebuilt and in with the old steering wheel for now, just so we can steer. In here, steering gear. Steering guivo. Yeah, I think nice looking car right here. Let's do a quick walk around. This color really pops in the sun. Now it's gonna head over to upholstery, get the carpeting done, headliner done, and back to us for more assembly. We'll update you with any new pictures, any new videos. Stay tuned. Thank you. Peace.